Welcome to the adventures of Spoonie and Bubbles. Today's story is called Italy Adventure. The Rolling Pizza Dough. The magical postcard sparkled. Then a little chef's hat popped out. A giant ball of pizza dough rolled onto the floor. It kept rolling away. Let's follow it. Whoosh. The magical postcard lifted them into the sky. The pizza dough rolled across the clouds. Soon, Italy appeared below. The dough rolled into the bakery. The smiling chef caught it. Can you help stretch the dough? Stretch, stretch, stretch. The dough rolled into a little boat. Splash, splash. Now it floated through beautiful canals. Look, the tower is leaning. Can you lean like the tower? Lean left, lean right. Good job. The door stopped beside an ice cream shop. Look, gelato. Can you name the colors? Pink, green, yellow, brown. The door rolled into a big square. Suddenly, flutter, flutter, lots of pigeons. The birds flew into the sky. Italy was amazing. The pizza, the canals, the Leaning Tower, the colorful gelato. Then, the magical postcard floated back. It turned around and showed a lion. Where are we going next? The adventure continues.